Guide to command line arguments and best practices. The command line helps you use simple commands to unlock features and control your system. In this video, we'll show you how command line arguments turn basic scripts into powerful, customizable tools without changing any code. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is a command line argument? Command line arguments let you change how a program works without changing its code. They also allow users to do things that might be difficult or impossible with regular button-based programs. How to pass command line arguments. Understanding how command line arguments are set up can make using the Windows terminal much faster. Every command you type starts with the program's name. After that, you add instructions called arguments to tell the program exactly what to do. It looks like this. Replace program name with your intended program. Meanwhile, instruction 1 and instruction 2 are the arguments. Standard conventions in passing arguments. First, we have switches. These usually start with a / and are like on-off toggles or specific modes for the command. Next are flags, which typically use a hyphen and represent binary choices like yes or no. Then we have options. These often need extra information to go with them. They might start with a double hyphen. Advanced usage of command line arguments. Command line arguments can also handle more complex scenarios by allowing you to pass multiple values using wildcards or manual lists, convey arrays as delimited strings, and even provide structured data as encoded strings. Handling command line arguments in software. Now, let's take a look at handling command line arguments in software. When working with command line arguments, it's important to consider what could go wrong. Make sure to carefully check the arguments to ensure they contain the correct information. Make your command line programs easier for people to use by being consistent with your arguments. Make sure to diligently validate all inputs to prevent injection attacks that exploit improperly filled argument fields to breach systems. Command line arguments may seem tricky at first, but they're a powerful way to control Windows and your programs efficiently. For more information, check out our official blog post on command line arguments linked in the description below.